Adding a Pypes exhaust system to your 1979 to 93 Foxbody Mustang is a great way to add sound, durability, and horsepower. Pypes Exhaust has you covered with catback exhaust systems for GT and LX models. Equipped with our most aggressive Violator muffler that offers both great sound and performance. Constructed of 2.5-inch Mandrel bent stainless steel piping that offers the correct exit and look of a factory system. These are complete bolt-on and they're backed by a lifetime warranty. Starting up front, we have our Shorty header kit. The header is constructed of polished 304 stainless steel and comes with gaskets and hardware. These EPA-compliant X and H pipes are constructed of 409 stainless steel and equipped with 48 state-compliant catalytic converters. We recommend that you consult your local municipality and our product labeling guide to see which mid-pipe best suits your requirements. New to our lineup are 3-inch LX style tailpipes. These are a great addition to cars running big power that want the exhaust to exit at the rear and not under the car. Constructed of Mandrel bent 3-inch 304 stainless steel piping that offers an OEM/cut exit. Pypes also offers a complete line of exhaust components like flow tubes, mufflers, and OE correct clamps and hangers. We've got your Foxbody covered. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below, or you can give us a call at 800-421-3890 and get your ride Pypes equipped today.